additional question.
Ay, may additional question?
Yes, about
Okay.
you.
Okay.
What's one thing most people don't know about your childhood?
My childhood story is love and hate. Love is because I had amazing childhood playtime. Living sa probinsya, countryside, akyat puno, laro dito, ayaw umuwi ng bahay, sayaw dito, akyat ulit sa puno, mag-pick ng mga fruits, farm living, animals, barn, chickens. I really love that part, okay? It's not actually hate, but I learned a lot of lesson too growing up. Yung dinidim ko yung light ko just because ayokong maging uncomfortable yung mga tao sa paligid ko. Dumating sa point na iniiwasan kong mag-stand out kasi ayokong nale-left out yung ibang tao sa paligid ko. Kasi every time that I will do my best, gagalingan ko. Nakikita ko yung mga side eyes. I see their fear now. But back then, I don't see that. Okay? Hindi ko nakikita yon. So, I limit myself. I thought that's the way to go. I compromise myself. But now, I learned my lesson. Now, I shine brighter.